Hey cooking comrades, buckle up for a journey into the world of organized meals and fridge real estate domination with the 60-pack meal prep containers by HEYCOME. We're diving deep into the product claims, Amazon reviews, and my own testing adventures to see if these plastic warriors can truly conquer kitchen chaos. First impressions, bulk bestie. Say goodbye to mismatched Tupperware orphans. This hefty pack of 60 containers and lids will keep your meal prep game strong for weeks or months if you're a portion control ninja. Sturdiness upgrade. These aren't your flimsy, one-use friends. HEYCOME boasts a 20% thickness boost, promising durability that can handle microwave reheats and dishwasher battles. Lid lowdown, snap and seal, no more wrestling with lids. The optimized design boasts easy on and off action, while enhanced sealing keeps your prepped masterpieces leak-proof and lunchbox worthy. Microwave mania, pop that lid off and nuke away. These containers are microwave friendly, letting you enjoy warm, delicious meals anywhere. Material matters. BPA-free Bonanza. Breathe easy, health-conscious friends. HEYCOME uses PP5 plastic, a food-grade